We have Mastering HTML and CSS3 Part 1 Beginner Level. We have this course on sale. You can buy this course with lower price, of course with 30 days money back guarantee. So don't worry. And if you like the course, you can keep it and have lifetime access to the whole content. You can access to the updated content without any more price, with the price you already paid only one time. This course is complete, and without any other thing you can start learning. We also have other courses for intermediate and advanced level on the sale as well with great price. You can check them out. Before I forget, this course don't need any prior knowledge of programming. You just need a personal computer. I hope you enjoy this course. You can check it out on 7x24learn.com. It's on the sale right now. Don't miss it.